Hi, welcome to my Semrush One pricing plan for 2026. Before you spend your money on any SEO you need to know what exactly you are paying for and whether it's actually worth it. In this video, I'm going to break down the Semrush One pricing plans, what each plan includes, and which one is the best value depending on your goal. Because the truth is, most people either overpay for features they don't need or pick the wrong plan and limit their growth. So welcome to SEO and Digital Tech Hub, where I share the best SEO tools, web hosting, and online business software to help you grow faster and smarter. So let's get back to the Semrush. So Semrush One has 3 pricing plans. It has Startup Plan, Pro Plus Plan, and Advanced Plan. The Startup Plan is for beginners that needs SEO and AI feasibilities. So the Startup Plan starts from $199 per month, and for annual payment it is $165 per month. That means you can save up to 17%. So when you pay for annual, annual payment, then the Pro Plus is cost $299 per month, and for annual payment it is just $248 per month. And for the advanced plan, it costs $549 per month, and if you if you choose the annual payment, it costs $455 per month. So if you want to subscribe for a yearly payment, then you can save up to 17%. So let's look at each plan at what it includes in each plan. For the starter plan, you have traditional SEO. Remember, Semrush One combines traditional SEO and AI feasibility tools together to ensure that your brand appears in the search engine and also cited and mentioned in AI platform. Then it includes 5 websites or 5 projects. Then you have 500 keywords to track daily. Then it includes keyword research and competition tools. Then you have competitors insight tools. Then we also have AI feasibility. In the AI feasibility, you can track only one domain. Then you can track 50 prompts daily. You have 500 AI feasibility reports per day, and we also have AI ready site audit. That means the AI can audit your site automatically. You don't need to do it manually. Then for the Pro plan, it includes all the starter plan plus we have up to 15 websites or 15 projects to monitor. You are up to 1,500 keywords to track daily. You have historical data, historical SEO data. Also, we have content optimization, keyword cannibalization analysis, then multi-location and device tracking. Then the last one is 100 prompts to track daily. So the difference between starter and pro is what is the number of the project and the number of the keyword and you can track. So the last one, which is advanced plan, is it contains all pro features plus 40 websites to monitor. You can monitor up to 40 websites or projects. Then you can track up to 5,000 keywords daily. Then you have SEO, share of voice, and also we have expanded MCP and API data. Then the last one is the number of prompts you can track daily, which is 200 prompts. So when you compare the startup plus and the advanced, so it depends on your business. If you are just a beginner, if you are a blogger or an affiliate marketer, just need SEO tools to perform keyword research, competitor analysis, and also want AI feasibility toolkits, then I will recommend you to start with Semrush One starter plan. It costs $199 per month, and if you are paying annually, you can save up to 17%, and you are going to pay $165 per month. And if you already have a growing business and you want to scale your SEO and AI search impact, then I advise you to choose a Semrush One Pro Plus plan, which costs you $299 per month. And that particular with this plan, you can track up to monitor up to 15 websites or 15 projects. So if you are an agency or you are agency, then I advise you to start with this Pro Plus. And if you already have a growing business or you have a team, then I advise to start with advanced plan, which costs $549 per month. Each of these plans come with free trial. So you have advised you can start with the free trial. Then after the free trial end, then you can now continue with the work with your plan. So don't forget you have 7 days or 14 days trial. So to start your journey on Semrush One. So in as much as you can test all the features within that period of free trial, then you'll be able to know whether you want to upgrade to the paid plan or cancel your account. So Semrush One also give you 7 days refund policy. So if you subscribe to any plan and you're not satisfied within that 7 days, you can ask for your refund. So don't forget, click link below this video to open to this page and select your plan. Then start your free trial, so you can enjoy 7 to 14 days free trial and test all the features to ensure that the Semrush One tool is what is fit for your business. So thank you for watching.